And so it was today. We flipped the calendar over from November to December, and we flipped right on into winter weather. We give you a look at A Mountain today. We put together this time lapse for you from the webcam there facing A Mountain. And you can see some cloud, a little bit of rain on the camera lens, and then by sunset, a few breaks in the clouds and a little bit of sun kind of sneaking in there. All right, so let's break this down for you. Here's a look at this monstrosity of a winter storm here, and watch it barreling its way through Arizona. I love that. There's that center of circulation, that area of low pressure, the area of greatest spin, and then all of the rain and mountain snow just kind of wrap it around it. Well, this thing will continue to shift into Arizona, crossing across southeast Arizona, and then eventually into New Mexico here over the next 24 to 48 hours. But it's basically cut itself off from the main flow of the jet stream, so it's going to be moving very slowly and becoming almost stationary here over Arizona all the way through Saturday night. Here's a look at our Desert Storm Tracker radar. We've been tracking our showers through the metro area, but honestly, the rain so far has been fairly light. We are seeing our little speckles of purple and blue. That is rain changing over to snow in the mountains, and more of that on the way tonight, tomorrow, and tomorrow night. So our temperatures here kind of running the gamut: 34 in Show Low, 38 Oracle, but we've got some 50s, some 60s, even 40s out here. 63 Wilcox, 56 Safford, 46 in Tucson, and a lot of that just sort of depends upon what area saw the breaks in the clouds here this afternoon to get a little bit more sun to warm things up. 46 degrees, light rain now falling at the airport. Our humidity almost 90%. Dew point a very solid 43 degrees. That's very close to the air temperature, and the closer those numbers are, the better chance we have for rain. So a quick check of our stats. Our high 62, our low 47. You're looking at that thinking, hey, that's pretty much right in line with where we should be, right? The funky thing about this is when we hit those temperatures. Our high temp today of 62 came at midnight. Here's your temperature timeline, and our low is what we're at right now, 47 degrees, and our temperature is even cooling off. So that low is likely going to go down to about 45 or 43. Our wind also a little bit of an issue today. What's strange about our wind is when it hit. Tucson's airport 32-mile-per-hour gusts started kicking in at 9 o'clock this morning. Sierra Vista 51-mile-per-hour gust clocked at noon. 4 a.m. wind was gusting at almost 40 miles per hour in Nogales. That's because we started the day with a little bit of sun. That helped to warm up that air at the surface. That rises quickly, and then it helped to sort of draw down some of those strong winds of the jet stream in those upper levels down to the surface. Then the clouds moved in, and that actually suppresses the wind because it prevents the mixing of the different layers of the atmosphere. It kind of keeps that air at the surface suppressed down to the surface, so you don't get that quick mixing and you don't get the strong winds down to the surface. So here's what we're dealing with now. No wind gusts at Tucson's airport, 10-mile-per-hour gusts in Wilcox. That's not a big deal, but check this out. 30-mile-per-hour gusts in Douglas, near 40 at this hour for you in Sierra Vista, 24 right now in Nogales. So what about our rain and our mountain snow? Futurecast keeps the showers going here through 10 o'clock. And then throughout the night and early morning, still watching that rain kind of morphing here into coverage across eastern Pima County, up through Pinal, southwest Graham, most of Cochise and Santa Cruz counties. Then we get a little bit of a break here come 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and then the rain moves back in come Saturday morning through Saturday night. And we are expecting a lot of this rain to change over to snow. By Saturday morning, snow levels down to 4,000 feet. That would put snow in Summer Haven, Oracle, Wilcox, Sierra Vista, Catalina, and in Bisbee. Your 7-day forecast: 56 tomorrow, 60% chance for valley rain, mountain snow, 55 Saturday with a 30% chance for rain. Skies start clearing out Sunday, but that's when our overnight lows drop to the freezing mark. 9 on your side at 6. We'll be right back.